Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I have a haul for you. I have a lovely sofa full of goodies to show you. This is all from my shopping video, which was from last week. We went to Home Bargains. It was the first time we went to this one in Basingstoke. I'd only been to Home Bargains once before near my sister in Swindon. So we ventured over to Basingstoke and it looked very new and very nice. We were really impressed. So I'll link that video up for you below. And I also had quite a large shopping list for Poundland, so I've got quite a lot to show you here. I found some really good things and I've tested a few things as well, because I find that really helpful if I'm watching other people's videos, if they've tried and tested a few things, because sometimes you're buying something because it's really cheap but you still want to know that it's good. So if I have tried and tested it, I will let you know. I'm going to go on to Poundland first because that shop excites me the most. I picked up some of these pens. These were in my previous Poundland shop, which I will also link up below. Really impressed by these rose gold zebra pens. They are black ink and they write beautifully. So I did actually buy a few packs of those and it's £1 for the two. So I would really recommend these. I bought two packs of this Celebrate like birthday washi tape, 3 rolls for £1, and it says there's 3 meters of washi on each roll. Really nice selection of craft bits and pieces in Poundland at the moment, and there was quite a lot of washi to choose from as well. I always pick up dishwasher tablets while I'm in there, 10 for £1. I keep a big dishwasher tablet bag under my sink, so I just top it up with those each time we go. Now I've seen this a couple of times and I keep thinking, oh, that would make a nice DIY, but I didn't know what I wanted to use it for. And then do you ever do that? You see something, you think, no, I'm not going to buy it, and then you go home and you get loads of ideas. You may have seen my recent mini book video. I love making mini books, and I'm making a series from our last US trip, and then I thought I could decorate this and put the mini books in here and they would look really cute. So if that would interest you, let me know if you'd like to see a video of me doing something with this. I haven't decided yet, but the mini books would look really cute in here. I did also think it would be nice as a plant hanger, actually, pop some plants in. But I'm going to do a mini book, I don't know what I'd call it, box, I don't know, crate. So if you'd like to see that video, let me know. I also bought some picture frames. I haven't bought these types of frames from Poundland before. There was lots of different colours to choose from. Black, silver, gold and white, I think. Might have been grey, I can't remember. But 2 for £1, I think that's really good. And we're working on a coffee area, theme wall in the kitchen at the moment, so these are going to go on the shelves. I also picked up these. My daughter loves her plants. I buy faux ones because I cannot keep plants, and they're drip feed fertilizers. You pop them in and I think they're supposed to feed them over up to 30 days, so I picked up these for her. There's quite a lot in the gardening section as well. If you check out my video, they're really bringing in all the summer stuff now. Speaking of summer, I picked up a mini sunscreen. I love these for the kids' bags, especially like when they're at school. They're just really handy, or like going on the football field. Louis kindly tends to give his away. He's really bad at lending things and not getting them back. So I picked up a new one for £1, factor 50. And perfect in the school bag. And if he gives this one away this year, I don't mind so much because it only cost £1. I have a story actually about this. I picked up a shampoo and conditioner for curls. There was there were a few different ones, like for brunettes and for blondes. And I got to the till and my conditioner had a cut across it and it was leaking out. So Aid, my husband, went to get another one. He checked and said it was conditioner, and it wasn't until I got home I realised he'd picked up another shampoo. So I now have 2 shampoos. I haven't actually tried this one yet though, so I'll let you know how that is. And I also picked up this Saint-Tropez. It's an in-shower tanning lotion. You smear it on and you wash first, put it on, leave it on for 3 minutes, and then you wash it off, and it's supposed to work like a build-up type product over time. So I'll be interested to see how that goes. I'm really bad with tanning products. I tend to go really quite patchy, so I'll be interesting to see how this one works. But it is the actual Saint-Tropez brand, which I'm really pleased with. Aid picked up this. He always uses this, the shampoo and the conditioner from this range. It's the white tea and mint. And for £1, Herbal Essences. That's a really good price. He's got quite thick blonde hair and he really likes this. We also picked up some mini eggs. These were £2 for the packs. They're quite heavy. 300 grams for those. For another project, I've picked up a bag of pom-poms. These are the Crayola ones. There were some other pom-poms with the Easter things, but obviously it's nearly all gone now. And they're not Poundland owned, but the non-branded pom-poms, there was much more in a pack, but this was all that was left, the Crayola one, so I picked this up for a project that will be coming. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with my brother. I will link up my brother's channel below. He's really into theme parks, so we've decided, one of the reasons I went to Poundland was for our Disney challenge. We challenge each other to spend no more than £3 on a project, and we're going to be doing a Disney DIY. That video is coming up on the 1st of May, so please subscribe if you like that kind of thing. Like I said, my brother's link to his channel is below. You will see what we're up to. Also picked up this cute birdhouse. This is for a DIY. Isn't that cute? Really, really pleased with that. Really sweet. I had my eye on this last time, and again, it's one of those, I went home and then I got all the ideas, so I'm excited to do something with this. This is a little basket that I bought. Obviously this has gone out after Easter now, but my daughter has a boyfriend, and she's bringing him home for the first time to meet us on Easter Sunday, so I figured I would do him a little Easter basket as well, because I always do the kids an Easter basket, and I'm just going to do him something sweet. We've been told to be on our best behaviour. We're a little bit silly in our family, and we've been told to be really good, so we will be really good. But his name is Bobby, and we saw a selection of crisps, nuts, candy, chocolates, all different things with his name on. Bobby's. So Bobby's nuts, Bobby's crisps, Bobby's sweet bars. So we've bought a selection to go in the basket. We thought it would be really funny. So I'll let you know how that goes. Now that was all of Poundland. I've now got the Home Bargains, which is mostly foodie bits, but we picked up these containers. I'm going to need my receipt for this stuff actually. Their stuff isn't quite easy to remember the prices on. Right, let's have a look. We've got the containers. These are 79p for the 3, and we like these like when you open tuna, or when you've got like beans left or sweet corn, that kind of thing, just to pop in the fridge. One of my favorite buys. This is a tried and tested. I love this candle. It's pink rhubarb and pear, and it's one of the seasonal ones, so apparently I've heard they don't have it all year round. It's so nice. I might actually leave the top off. Just makes the room smell lovely. But I did buy this last time. I've used it all completely. It's such a clean, fresh smell. It's not too sweet, or I don't think it is, but I quite like sweet things to have in the house. But I really, really like this. Another tried and tested. I really love these cheese biscuits. They are so good. They're one of my go-to favourite snacks at the moment. We picked up some bags of crisps. These were on the video as we first entered Home Bargains. What I like about places like this, like the Poundland and the Home Bargains, you see stuff that you haven't seen for years. I don't see these in my local supermarket, so I was really excited. I remembered both of these from when I was at school, and I thought they'd be fun for the kids to try. Aid picked up 2 bottles of this Gatorade. I'm just checking the price. It was 78p a bottle. He really likes this, the orange flavour. Another tried and tested that I wasn't so happy with. Oh, actually, do you know, this wasn't Home Bargains, this was Poundland. This is Poundland's version of Soflora. They haven't had Soflora in for ages, and this is, how would you say that, Flora? That's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? Cotton fresh, smells lovely, smells like Soflora. But what I always like to do, I pop a little bit of water in the sink, I throw my dishcloths in, put some Soflora in, and it just keeps the cloth smelling nice, but I can smell it the minute I open the kitchen door. The kitchen just smells so fresh and clean. I couldn't smell anything with this. I was so disappointed, and I even let the sink out, put a little bit more water in this morning, put some in, still couldn't smell it. If you get up really close and smell it, you can smell it, but there is no scent in the kitchen, so it's not as good as Soflora, and I'm really, really disappointed. And I think my Morrisons might sell it. We don't go there very often because it's not on our route anywhere, but on the occasion that I have popped in, they have had it, so I think I'm going to try and track it down there, because this just didn't do the same. A few more foodie bits. We picked up some tuna in Home Bargains and some cranberry sauce. Really impressed with the herbs and spices range. I got some garlic here, just some dried garlic, quite handy to add. And we picked up some club bars. And again, one of those items that you don't generally see in other places. We've got Milka, like Jaffa cakes. So they're going to go in my son's Easter basket. So that's my haul. Oh, and we've got a whole great big bag. This was Aide's doing, of fish and chips. These are my favourite, the salt and vinegar, and he likes the pickled onion. I don't know where I'm going to put these because there's so many of them, but I need to go and find a home for them. So that was our shopping. I did £27 in Poundland and £17 and 11p in Home Bargains, and that was our shopping. What was your favourite item on our shop that you liked? Was there anything that you would have bought, anything that you've tried that I haven't? Let me know. Any recommendations for anything else, and where are you buying your Sephora at the moment? I would love to know. Please share. Like I said, I will link up that shopping video below from when we actually did the shopping, and you can see what else is going on. There's some really good summer things coming out at the moment. I felt quite excited, especially with the weather being a little bit nicer this week. It's got me excited for summer. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really hope you've enjoyed this, and I will link up below my Instagram accounts as well. I have my own personal one, which is The Funky Fairy, and my business one, which is Lollipop Box Club, which is obviously the name of my YouTube channel. Those are both linked below. So thank you so much, and have a lovely weekend, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.